So you want to take photos of cars, eh? Well, I'm assuming you want to because you clicked on this video. But anyways, today me and Willis are going to show you how to do car photography. Well, this is the 2018 facelift model of the RS3 Audi that we're shooting today. Thank you to Dean for lending it out and letting us shoot it in this awesome location. So yeah, now firstly, choosing a location for your car is very important, and it also helps complement the car in terms of its colors and its style. So for example, we've got the Audi RS3 that's in white here, and we've put it in a nice light gray concrete area. Because we've chosen a good location at the start, it makes it a lot easier for the rest of the shoot. You can check out Willis's video on how to find any photography location on his channel. There'll be a link up there or there somewhere. Now, you can't just take car photos at any time of the day. The best time is at dusk or dawn. This will create nice, soft, dramatic light for any car shoot. Just trust me, trust me. This nice soft light will help reduce the reflections on your cars, especially if you're shooting darker colored cars. Because if you shoot in the middle of the day, most likely the sun will be reflecting straight into your camera lens, which just doesn't look good. So to help eliminate reflections, you want to use a CPL filter. So Willis has a CPL filter on right now because he's shooting the car.
It's really useful because it cuts out the reflections. So in the RS3 here especially, there's a sunroof alongside of the windows. So what it'll do is it'll just cut out all those obstructive reflections so you get a nice clean photo and it's as sharp as possible.
Get more detail of the car.
Pick one of these up. They're a bit expensive, but it's worth it.
Very useful. So there's a rule I like to follow when I'm shooting with different focal lengths, and that's typically not to shoot wider than 35. Willis has a 70-200 actually right here, and I'm pretty sure it's his favorite lens. So
yeah, it is.
If you had to choose like one focal length for that lens to shoot a car, what would it be?
Probably choose like 135mm.
Yeah.
Because compression's amazing at that range.
Yeah,
it's just a good lens.
It's just a good.
You just see it. There's no need to explain it. You see it. You see the difference. It won't matter what you shoot on if you shoot too low at aperture though.
So even with a 35 1.4 or a 105 1.4, you don't want to use the bottom range because you're not going to get the whole car in focus. Especially for full body shots, you want to use something 3.5 and above, I'd say. Yeah. So you can get the whole car in focus and get every single detail.
All right, well that's enough. Let's start shooting.
Yeah, let's just keep shooting. What are the odds of giving it a rev after these guys?
In the tunnel. Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, right. Whenever you're ready.
Oh my god!
Jesus. Oh, that's mad. Look at this. That's sick. Okay, so we've just parked up the car in a really nice location here. It's basically a big box of light, so it's going to create some really nice lighting for the car, and we probably don't even need to use a polarizer because of the nice soft light.
It's a giant softbox.
Yeah, giant softbox. There you go. So good. Look, we got the black wall, yellow,
light concrete,
green, rainbow,
show the lights,
purple.
Look at lighting.
Oh look, there's a Smurf. It's blue. So another important tip you want to use for all your car photography is the composition and angles, and this is probably the most vital part of your car photography. So first off, you have the main angles, which is the front, the back, the side, front 3/4 and back 3/4, and these are essential to any car photo shoot. And after this comes all the details, so the interior, the wheels, the lights, and even the badges especially. And once you've nailed all those shots of the car that you're shooting, and it's completely up to your creative freedom to get experimenting. Now the last thing is color grading, and this gives you a chance to draw the viewer's eye into the car and make it stand out from the environment. It can also allow you to clean up any distractions in the environment or any reflections left in the car. But one very important tip for when you're editing your car photos is not to stray away from the original color of the car, especially for client photos. And finally, by piecing all these things together, here's the final results from the shoot. I hope you guys learnt something or just enjoyed watching this video. Thank you again once to Dean for letting us shoot the RS3. Such a cool car. if, you know, Audi, if you wanna give me the car for free. And also I edited all those photos, edited. And also I edited all these photos that you just saw with my Lightroom presets, and they are on the way. But nonetheless, I don't have much else to say other than enjoy. No, I think it worked well.
On the white, it kind of looked cool, the bridge texture as well.
Yeah, exactly. Look at that.
Should be key to edit this.
Look at that baby in the background. Oh yeah.